Eat eggs every day and see what happens. What if I told you that one simple food could change your health forever? Are eggs good or bad for you? Can they boost your energy, improve your brain, and help you lose weight? What happens to your body when you eat eggs daily? The answer might surprise you. Eat eggs every day and discover the 8 science-backed benefits. Stay until the end because you won't want to miss this. Greetings. Can daily egg consumption be healthy? Does eating eggs affect blood cholesterol levels? What's the optimal egg preparation method for cardiovascular health? How many eggs should one consume daily? Should egg whites be prioritized over yolks? What's the superior egg type, white or brown? And does yolk color matter? This video delves into maximizing egg benefits and exploring 8 advantages of a daily egg regimen. A spoiler alert: eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, affordable, quick, and readily available. Stay tuned for surprising insights. First, enjoy the video, subscribe for valuable health tips, and activate notifications. Sharing this knowledge with friends and family is crucial, as health information is best shared. Do you incorporate eggs into your daily diet, or have you ceased consumption due to misinformation? Please share your location. 8 benefits of daily egg consumption. Why are eggs considered a superfood and an integral part of a healthy diet? Eggs are an economical and nutrient-rich source of essential vitamins and high-quality protein. Moreover, eggs boast a relatively low caloric count, averaging 78 calories per egg. If a perfect food existed, eggs would likely rank among the top 3 choices. However, eggs once faced a negative reputation, primarily due to the cholesterol content of the yolk. As a teenager, during my swimming training, my cardiologist father would caution against excessive egg consumption, fearing potential heart attacks. Current understanding refutes this concern. While egg yolks contain substantial cholesterol, approximately 180 to 200 milligrams, which previously constituted a significant portion of the perceived healthy limit, and consuming 2 eggs was deemed excessive, a 2015 review of 40 studies revealed no correlation between dietary cholesterol and heart disease. A clarification: dietary cholesterol does not directly equate to elevated blood cholesterol. Instead, if one consumes a substantial amount of dietary cholesterol, the liver regulates itself by producing less cholesterol. In about 1/3 of the population, a high cholesterol diet can elevate cholesterol levels. In these individuals, daily egg consumption might increase total cholesterol by 10 to 15%. Today, the focus shifts to limiting saturated fats, as these elevate LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase cardiovascular disease risk. Eggs, along with shrimp, are high cholesterol foods, but low in saturated fat, thus unlikely to significantly elevate blood cholesterol. Beyond cholesterol, what else makes eggs so nutritious? Considering eggs are living organisms, their nutrient density is remarkable, containing the precise components required for chick development. Eggs are rich in protein, approximately 6 grams per egg, including high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids. These essential amino acids are crucial for growth, healing, muscle development, weight management, blood pressure regulation, and optimal bone health. The proteins in eggs are exceptionally bioavailable. Eggs also contain 13 essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, biotin, B9, folate, B12, E, K, and D, alongside calcium, zinc, phosphorus, selenium, and various antioxidants. Egg whites and yolks differ in their properties. Egg whites offer substantial protein without the cholesterol found in yolks, accounting for roughly 60% of an egg's protein, while yolks contain saturated fat and cholesterol. Consuming eggs alongside other foods can enhance vitamin absorption. Studies show that adding an egg to a salad can boost vitamin E absorption. So, what are the 8 benefits of daily egg consumption for one's health? Consuming eggs daily offers a multitude of health benefits. Improved vision. Eggs are rich in potent antioxidants, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin. These crucial compounds help mitigate age-related vision decline, combating conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in individuals over 55. Crucially, these beneficial antioxidants are found in the yolk, so consuming the entire egg is essential to reap these advantages. Vitamin A deficiency can also lead to vision impairment, and eggs are a good source of this vitamin. Enhanced brain function. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, a vital nutrient often lacking in diets. Choline is essential for constructing cell membranes, a critical process for optimal brain and nervous system function. It plays a role in memory, mood regulation, muscle control, and various other cognitive processes. Eggs also contain vitamin B12, further supporting nerve health. Boosted immunity * eggs provide several crucial micronutrients that support the immune system. Selenium, vitamin B12, and vitamin D are all present in eggs, particularly the yolk, which is one of the few natural sources of vitamin D. 2 eggs can provide over 80% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin D. Weight management * eggs are highly satisfying due to their protein content. Protein boosts metabolism and promotes feelings of fullness, helping individuals avoid unnecessary snacking between meals, especially when consumed for breakfast. This can also help regulate blood glucose levels, which is beneficial for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Lowered triglycerides * eggs, especially those enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, can help lower triglycerides. Triglycerides are a type of fat that can increase the risk of plaque buildup, so reducing their levels is advantageous for overall health. Reduced stroke risk * daily egg consumption may decrease the risk of stroke, particularly hemorrhagic stroke. A Chinese study revealed that individuals who ate at least 1 egg daily had a significantly lower risk of stroke-related death compared to those who avoided eggs. Stronger bones * eggs are beneficial for bone health, particularly for those with osteopenia or osteoporosis. Egg whites contain proline, a precursor to collagen, which strengthens bones. Egg yolks contribute to bone metabolism and also contain vitamin D, phosphorus, and calcium, all of which are essential for maintaining bone density. Improved cholesterol profile * while some individuals may experience an increase in LDL, bad, cholesterol after consuming eggs, particularly those with hyperresponses, egg consumption can also improve HDL, good, cholesterol levels. A key observation is that egg consumption may modify the structure of LDL particles, shifting them from small, dense, unhealthy particles to larger LDL particles, which are associated with a lower risk of heart disease. A comprehensive review of numerous studies involving over 250,000 individuals found no link between egg consumption and heart disease. A separate Chinese study demonstrated a lower incidence of heart disease in individuals consuming approximately 1 egg daily. Important considerations * while eggs offer numerous health advantages, moderation is key. Excessive consumption, like any food, is not advisable. Furthermore, the quality and preparation method of eggs can influence their nutritional value. For example, frying eggs with saturated fats, butter, bacon, lard, will increase the saturated fat intake, which can raise cholesterol levels. Egg color, brown or white, has minimal impact on nutritional value. However, darker yolks typically contain more carotenoids, which are beneficial for eye health. The quality and feeding of the chickens influence the nutritional content of the eggs. If you enjoy fried eggs, cook them in olive oil, maintaining a maximum temperature of 210 degrees Celsius. However, olive oil itself cannot be fried. There's research from the University of Granada that suggests potato chips prepared in olive oil might be a healthier option than mashed potatoes, owing to the antioxidant properties present in olive oil. Intriguingly, consuming raw eggs, while not recommended due to the potential risk of salmonellosis, allows for the absorption of approximately 50% of the proteins. In contrast, boiled eggs facilitate the absorption of over 90% of the proteins. This demonstrates that cooking eggs enhances the digestibility of nutrients. Conversely, cooking eggs at high temperatures can diminish the vitamin A and antioxidant content. Therefore, consider reducing cooking time to preserve more nutrients and prevent the oxidation of the egg's cholesterol. To optimize the nutritional value of your eggs, select a low-heat cooking method. Combining eggs with vegetables can aid in the absorption of vitamins. If you choose to fry eggs in olive oil, maintain a moderate temperature, avoiding excessive heat, no more than 210 degrees Celsius, and ensuring they are not overcooked. Ultimately, these strategies contribute to healthier egg consumption. By adhering to these tips, you can maximize the nutritional benefits of eggs while minimizing potential negative impacts. Did you find this video informative? Please share it with others to spread this knowledge. What will be your next video viewing? To aid your selection, I've included 2 recommendations. First, my video on the health implications of coffee. Is coffee beneficial or detrimental to your well-being? Second, my video on the dangers of insufficient water intake and the associated diseases that can be prevented or cured by adequate hydration. Eggs are one of the best foods you can include in your diet, full of essential nutrients and health benefits. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you eat eggs every day? Have you noticed any of these benefits? Leave a comment below and let's talk about it. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our health tips. And if you found this information helpful, share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.